This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Kathy Stauffer. Great facilities and home to one of the best managed marinas in the PNW. Keyless entry, full service laundry and shower building. Picnic area with outdoor games, barbecue, and seating areas. Wonderful marina store with cafe and local artwork displays. Short walk to Semiahmoo Resort with restaurants, spa, pool and pickleball. Marina has Wi-Fi, activie yacht club, and recently resurfaced dock. Great place to moor your boat. This is the ideal home away from home, easy access to the Canadian Gulf Islands and the San Juan Islands. Semiahmoo is one of the most beautiful communities in the PNW. For more information, review the details below.